Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is T. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before we get started with this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way every time I upload to YouTube, you'll be one of the first people to know. So with that being said, in this video, I'm going to do another Forsage update. Ethereum is going up, y'all. If y'all ain't got no Ethereum, go get it. But wait, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you what to do, what to buy, anything like that. But I'm telling y'all what I'm doing. I'm racking up on Ethereum, okay? Because Ethereum is projected to more than double by the end of the year, and it's already on track to do that, okay? I remember when I first started with Forsage, literally Ethereum was like 200 and I don't know, it was really cheap. Like, I don't know if it was like 280, it might have been even lower than that just to get one Ethereum. And now it's at like 390 something, like 397, something like that, where Ethereum is right now to this day. And it's crazy, it's going up. And yeah, I can't wait to hit that 1K mark, you know what I'm saying? Just imagine getting something for $300 and within a matter of months, it goes up to 1,000, okay? Yeah, it's awesome. So let's dive into the back of my Forsage account. All right, y'all. So this is my back office with Forsage. And look, y'all, I still only have 2 people that actually signed up under me. But guess what? I have $289 now. So that must mean that I must have gotten some type of overflow because I didn't bring anybody else in. And look, yep, it shows you right here. I got overflow. And it shows you at the bottom like what that actual color means. And it's bottom overflow. So I have $190 in X4 and I have $100 in X3. And also the price of Ethereum is going up, y'all. So that's another thing. So if you ain't got no ETH, I can't tell you what to do because I'm not a financial advisor. But what I'm doing, I'm getting as much ETH as I can right now before it gets to the $1,000 mark. And then it's just like, oh man, it's too high, like Bitcoin, right? So yeah. So also look at this, y'all, 820,476 participants. Like, what's that? Like at least over 400,000 since I've joined. Well, it's way over 400,000 since I joined. But in order for it to be 500,000 people joined since after I joined, it would have to be at like 860,000. So yeah. But anyway, so yeah, this just basically, I just wanted to get this documented for my journey and everything like that. I also wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on what my Forsage account looks like right now. With Forsage, you don't have to do anything. There's no, any type of work. You ain't got to talk to people. You ain't got to try to sell nothing. You don't have to do anything. All you literally do is you buy your slots, as many slots as you want. You know what I mean? It's your choice. You could come in and just get the first 2 slots that's required. You can come in and get 2. You get 3. You get 4. You know what I mean? Shoot, if you're a big baller, get all of them, But yeah. So with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna hop out of the computer and I'll see y'all in a quick second. Yeah, so y'all see what was going on in my Forsage account. As you guys already know, I'm documenting Forsage from my journey. This is not something that I'm actually trying to get anybody to really join. You join at your own if that's what you want to do. If you do want to join Forsage, be sure to go on the link in the description, ginger.forevereth.com. If you have any questions, you can hit me up at workwithginger101@gmail.com. That'll also be in the description. And with that being said, y'all, everybody be great, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.